Here we have one problem on probability. Two fair dice are tossed. Let A be the event. The first dice shows an even number, and B be the event. Second die shows an odd number. The two events A and B are mutually exclusive, independent and mutually exclusive, dependent, none of this. Okay, all of you. Here this problem is given. So here first die, two dice are thrown. Two dice are thrown. So dice A and dice B. So what is the mutually exclusive events? If occurrence of two events, occurrence of one event opposes the occurrence of second event. Suppose one event, that is one dice, occurrence of even number, occurrence of odd number. Occurrence of even number opposes the occurrence of odd number. Occurrence of odd number opposes the occurrence of even number. Then these two events are mutually exclusive. But here two dice are there. One dice appears even number and other dice appears odd number. That is, these two are independent events and not mutually exclusive. Okay, these are independent events and not mutually exclusive. So we say the first option is what? Mutually exclusive wrong, and second option independent and mutually exclusive wrong, and third dependent wrong, fourth one none of these is the correct. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have the problem from probability. The probability of a student getting first, second and third divisions in an examination are respectively 1 by 10, 3 by 5 and 1 by 4. The probability that the student fail in the examination is. So these are the options are given. Okay, all of you. So here probability of getting first division in exam is event A. That is, event A is 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. Probability of getting second division in examination, that is event B. Event B is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. Probability of getting third division in an examination 1 by 4 is equal to 0.25. 0.25. Okay, all of you. Probability of probability of fail in the examination is D is equal to what? But P of A plus P of B plus P of C plus P of D is equal to what? 1. All the probabilities of all events in a sample space is equal to 1. First division, second division, third division, fail. So here this is 0.1 plus 0.6 plus 0.25 plus probability of D is equal to 1. D is the event that student fail in the examination. So what is the value of this one? This is 0.569. So 0.95 plus P of D is equal to 1. P of D is equal to 1 minus 0.95 is equal to 0.5. 0.5. 0.05. then probability of D is equal to 0.05 by 100, that is 5 by 100 is equal to 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Okay, all of you, probability of student will fail in the examination is 1 by 20. Here no answer is there. So option D is the correct answer. None of this. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Dear viewers, we have the problem on probability. If 1 plus 3p by 3 comma 1 minus p by 4 and 1 minus 2p by 2 are probabilities of 3 mutually exclusive events, then the set of all values of p is. So here how to solve this? These are the options are given. Okay, all of you. Then here 3 mutually exclusive events probabilities are given. So here this is the one event probability, this is other event probability, this is other event probability. Let us you take, this is the event A, this is event B, this is event C. Every event 0 less than or equal to the every event range 0 less than or equal to P of E less than or equal to 1. We know this one. So here 0 less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to P of B less than or equal to 1. And 0 less than or equal to P of C less than or equal to 1. Okay, all of you. So 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 3p by 3 less than or equal to 1. Then 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 3p less than or equal to 3. Then minus 1 less than or equal to 3p less than or equal to 2. So minus 1, this is minus 1 by 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 2 by 3. For this one you see 0 less than or equal to p of b 1 minus p by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus p by 4 less than or equal to 1. So 0 less than or equal to 1 by p less than or equal to 4. Then what? Minus 1 less than or equal to minus p less than or equal to 3. Then here minus 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1. For this one you see here 0 less than or equal to 1 minus 2p by 2 less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 minus 2p less than or equal to 2. Minus 1 less than or equal to minus 2p less than or equal to 1. This is what? 1 less than or equal to minus 1 less than or equal to minus 2p less than or equal. This is 2p less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 1 by 2. Okay, all of you. Here you see p values are minus 1 by 3, minus 3, minus 1 by 2. P minimum values minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 3, minus 1 by 2 are the minimum values, minus 1 by 2. And P maximum values are what? 2 by 3, 1, 1 by 2. 2 by 3, 1, 1 by 2. Okay, all of you. And one more condition you see, add these three cases, that is 0 less than or equal to a plus b plus c, that is p of a plus p of b plus P of C less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 1 plus 3p by 3 plus 1 minus 2p by 1 minus p by 4 and plus 1 minus 2p by 2 is less than or equal to 1. So 0 less than or equal to LCM is 12, 4 plus 12p plus 3 minus 3p plus this is 6 minus 12p less than or equal to 1. 12p plus 12p cancel. 0 less than or equal to 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13 minus 3p by 12 less than or equal to 1. Then 0 less than or equal to 13 minus 3p less than or equal to 12. Then minus 13 less than or equal to minus 3p less than or equal to minus 1. So 1 less than or equal to 3p less than or equal to 13. 1 by 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 13 by 3. So what is the value? So here this is 1 by 3 and this is 13 by 3. Okay, all of you. Now we have to find the range of P. Range of P. Range of P. P maximum value. P minimum values are here minus 1 by 3, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Maximum values are 2 by 3, 1, 1 by 2, 13 by 3. So here P range is equal to maximum of minimum value less than or equal to P minimum of maximum values. Here maximum of minimum is what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 less than or equal to P less than or equal to minimum of maximum. What is the minimum of maximum? This is 2 by 3. 1 by 2. By observing, this is 1 by 2. Okay, all of you. So P 1 by 3 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 1 by 2 is the value of the P. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one more problem on probability. The probability that a leap year selected randomly will have 53 Sundays is generally in a year 365 days. 365 days. How many weeks are? 52 weeks are there. So 52 weeks are there. Here in leap year 366 days. Okay. Here in a leap year 366 days is equal to 364 plus 2 is equal to 52 into 7 plus 2 means what? 52 Sundays are there. 52 Sundays plus 2 days. Okay, these 2 days will occur how many ways? That is, first Sunday plus Monday. Second one, Monday plus Tuesday. Third, Tuesday plus Wednesday. Fourth, that is Wednesday plus Thursday. Fifth, Thursday plus Friday. Sixth, Friday plus Saturday. Seventh, Saturday plus Sunday. How many favorable? 52 Sundays must be completed. These 2 days must be Sundays means what? How many favorable events to this event? This that is 53 Sundays. Sundays event E P of E is equal to 2 events are favorable events. Total events are 7. That is 2 by 7 is the probability to getting 53 Sundays in a leap year. That is 2 by 7. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from probability. 3 identical dice are rolled. The probability that same number will appear on each of them will be 1 by 6, 1 by 36, 1 by 18, 3 by 18. So here the number of events in sample space, if 3 dice are rolled, 3 dice are rolled is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 6 cube. Okay, what is the event? Event E is equal to same number will appear on them. That is same number appear. How many events are there? 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. How many events? 6 events. So, probability of E is equal to favorable events are 6 by total number of events in sample space 6 cube is equal to 1 by 6 square. 1 by 36 is the probability. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you.